welcome to the next video. My name is Snowmoongames. So the last week I got in like 3 of my boxes and I didn't feel good, so I didn't film them. So today I'm trying to like film them back to back real quick. So in today's video we are going to open Boxy Charm. This is my Boxy Premium. So without further ado, let's get into this box. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to hold on to the paperwork that tells me everything. It looks like it's like the Oasis. So I guess it's like a spa theme. This is what my insides look like. And as you'll see, I did actually open this one briefly because the first item that I pull out is this limited edition. It says made in Italy. It's by Skin & Co. And it says it's a Sardinian spirit. It is a shower gel with lemongrass and wild orange. It smells really good, but the top of this was open. Nothing when the box got damaged, but I could smell it outside of the box. And this part isn't even attached when I opened it. So I think maybe some of it might have leaked out. It smells really good, but I could smell it and I just wanted to make sure nothing was like leaking everywhere before I stuck it over in the corner. And I'm kind of glad I did open it because this actually was open. But, so this is my first item and this retails for $22. But I kind of like having a lemongrass and orange shower gel. It'll be really nice. I like getting shower gels. And the next item is by Glow Recipes, and it's the avocado melt retinol sleeping mask. I've gotten stuff before. I don't know where that went. I don't know where that went. I had the, oh, there it is. So most of the melt balms I put on and everything I get from pharmacy, and I do like pharmacy. I haven't had a Glow Recipe avocado melt retinol sleeping mask or any kind. I don't really know how to do it. I'm going to kind of leave the box here and everything so that I know how to find out how to do it. I gotta read the instructions, but for now we'll open it up. It does look like it's white inside. Well, kind of a sea green. But most of the green is on the outside of it. It doesn't really look like it's super green. Doesn't smell like avocados either. Do those avocados really have a smell? I don't know. I don't know. But that'll be something interesting to try. And they say that this retails for $49. Kind of glad it came in my box. Boxy Premium is a $35 a month box, so I'm kind of glad that came in the box because I don't think I'd spend $49 for it. But you do get, what, 6 items full-sized? I think I missed that on the opening. So the next item is by Baddington Beauty. It's a powder and contour brush set, and it says it retails for, are you kidding me? $90. $90. No way. No way would I spend $90 for brushes. They're pretty though. So this is what they look like. It looks like they have the Baddington thing on it. I think, don't they do eyelashes? Maybe that's why they're so expensive. But they do have a nice fluffiness to them. And they are sparkly and pretty. I don't know if I'd spend $90 for them. Like, is there something special about them that makes them? It says high performance powder contour. It doesn't really say there's anything significant. At least some of the other brushes were like charcoal and bamboo this, and these don't really have any reason to be $90 other than the metal, fake metal. I don't know. They do have care instructions, and they are, I don't know. I'd like to say packaged well. I've seen better. I've seen them come with pouches. I've seen all kinds of them. So, I don't know. There you go. $90 for a pair of brushes. Would not spend that. Next item. Kat Von D Inkwell liner. Now, let me tell you the story about this liner. In the color, what is it? Lolita. Now, when I open this box, which I did do, I admit it, most often I do not open my boxes. I unbox them on channel for the first time. But when I opened mine this time, because of the smell of that, the one thing I did check was this item. Because, first of all, I don't normally get eyeliners that aren't black. And secondly, and this one's not black, it is straight up pink. And secondly, I thought, oh, well, let's see how this goes on. So I did swatch it on my thumb. Right there. And that was yesterday. I washed my hands 9 times since then, and it's still right there. It's starting to fade on this side, but it's still right there. So I got thinking, wonder how many eyeliners I have that would have that kind of tenacity. So I'm thinking about taking my eyeliners and putting a swatch on my hand and wash my hands. See how many times I can wash my hands before they start wearing off. Because this says it's a long wear matte eyeliner. It doesn't really say it's waterproof. Washed my hands 9 times. So I don't know. But this retails for $20. The next item in here is by Zova. And it is a secret because it's not even on here. Oh, there it is. It's an eyeshadow fix primer in matte for $12. So I have that. And let's see. Okay, so that makes this the last item, which is, ta-da, Too Faced Cocoa Contour. So this is a contouring palette by Too Faced. I could use them as probably eyeshadows as well. Now it does have like a little contouring tutorial in here for those that need a little bit of help or just kind of want to read as much as possible. These are the colors. Most of the top are highlights and the bottom are your contours. I do like a couple of them. I'm not gonna lie. I think some of them would work as maybe a eyeshadow. This is a medium contour here. And we'll do the light contour. But I don't know if that's going to show very well. You can see that the medium probably wouldn't work for me. The light will work for me. I don't know. I'll play with it. I don't do a whole lot of contouring, but I do some. And this retails for $44, which brings a whopping almost $250 for my box, and I only paid $35. So that's not bad. Still wouldn't pay $90 for a pair of brushes, but no hey. And that is all I got in my box. That is my Boxy Premium for this month. And I do film unboxings all the time, all month. You can check out the link in the descriptions if you find any interested boxes you'd like to try. I don't get anything for it, and I have all my handles down there. I'm not sponsored. I pay for my boxes myself. So I hope you all have a beautiful, fantastic day, and I heart your face. Bye.